Hey guys, how you doing? My name is Rich Guzman, and I got a quick update for you. Could you imagine if your life could change by just one strategy? Now, I want to give you guys a little sneak peek of what's going on over here. Eighth right now is in a very elite class over here, and let me see. Hey babe, what are you doing over there?
Oh my gosh, oh man, this is totally awesome. I can't reveal too much, you know what I mean? I can't, but hang on, I'll pause the class. Right now, let me just pause this, the mute.
I'm the founder of Smart AI.
There we go. So we are, as you just heard, okay, with the founder of Smart AI, who has created this amazing technology with artificial intelligence for the Power Lead system. We are now in an exclusive membership class that we are a part of, that we pay monthly for, and this is awesome because this literally is going to blow the doors off of the competition. Like, we're learning how to do custom GPTs right now, and this is the first class, okay? And so like what we're learning right now is how to take control of our businesses, how to use artificial intelligence, how to literally create creative content using artificial intelligence that is done in seconds, okay? No more virtual assistants, no more paying for people on Fiverr. Like, literally you can do this stuff on your own. We're teaching all of this. What would cost you thousands upon thousands of dollars to hire some GPT guru to teach you something, we got it right here below 50 bucks a month. Not kidding. So this is just the first day of class, and it's called AI Automation Academy. And if you guys are not a part of being all in order to get the AI Automation Academy included, you're missing out.
Yeah, guys, you are missing out. This is changing the game. I know everybody talks about AI and how AI is taking over and everything else like that, but nobody really ever explains really what are the features and benefits and how it can help you in your business. Well, this class is definitely breaking everything down when it comes to running your business with AI. Guys, the game has changed, and I don't want you guys to be left behind. So I'm going to leave a link below this video. Check it out. And also on the sales page, check out David AI. Ask any questions you want about your business, and it'll really help you understand how to really get more effective results in your business, all right? So my name is Rich Guzman, and I'll see you on a new video very soon, guys. Take care.